Oh man, what a day! What a lovely day! Going for a ride. I got a new microphone, so I'm going to test it out right now. Trying to cut down on the wind noise, because on the old microphone is pretty bad. Even though I'm a fake ass motovlogger with a fake ass YouTube channel, it would still be nice to cut down on the wind a little bit. Yeah, so the mic came with a little cattail thing, which is supposed to cut down on the wind noise, but it's like tickling my chin, so I took it out. I'm gonna see how it does with the normal snare, and then we'll go from there. Where's my snare? I have no snare in my headphones. The problem is, though, I think this helmet is windy itself too. Alright, let's see how it sounds with the visor down. I usually keep the visor up until I'm going about like 45-50 miles an hour. But yeah, uh-oh, there's bogeys out there. Oh, they're going somewhere. Uh-oh. Woo! Yeah, pat that stick, girl. Visor down. Whoa! See that? That was crazy up there. Come on, bro. Wind noise going 60 miles an hour. How is it? Puddles! Woohoo! Oh, that's a big one! Oh! Fuck it! Send it! Yeah! Woo! I'm definitely gonna have to clean the bike now. But yeah! Oh, there's a dog up there. There's a guy with his dag up there. That was a cute dag. What's up, man? I like that Joe Rocket jacket. I rode with a bro. I rode with a bro for a little bit of bro riding.